humidity is taking over already. So what's up, beautiful people? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I straighten my natural hair. It is the summer month, so it's very humid down south. I live in Tennessee, and it's humid in the south during the summertime. It's probably everywhere. So I'm going to show you how I flat iron and style my hair, or do a silk press, if you want to call it that, or a blowout, whatever you call it in your neck of the woods. If you're interested in seeing how I did mine, please keep watching. Before I flat iron, I'm gonna put about this much in this one section here. Very little goes a long way when you're flat ironing your hair. Here are the flat irons. I am cooking my hair on 370. Some people might go a little bit higher, but I'm really heat conscious. I'm gonna use the chase method, of course. And I'm gonna go past the roots a couple of times on this one just because my hair had poofed back up. But I'm only gonna do one pass through and then a second pass when I curl it to give it the body. You wanna get them edges. Let it go until all of the hair is out. One pass. Now, if you was wanting your hair a little bit straighter, or if your flat irons did not straight as good as the ones that I'm using, or you feel like your hair didn't get as straight as you wanted it with one pass, please feel free to do as many passes as you would like. Just be aware that the more passes that you do, the more heat that you're putting on your hair, and the more heat that you put on your hair, the more damage you can have, and the more damage you can have, the more breakage you can have. So if your goal is to retain length, then be easy with the heat, because you can really damage your hair. It's just like getting a perm. Your hair can be heat damage straight, and you will not have your curl pattern ever again without regrowing your hair. Okay, so my hair is flat ironed and I have been to the shop to get it trimmed. It's raining outside, so you know my hair is not bone straight anymore. It is poofy. So I'm gonna decide to put some curls in it tonight so that I can have at least something styled to my head. It probably won't last long, but I am going to still style my hair for you guys so you can see how you can style your hair if you decide to blow it out. Either take a comb or you can finger it yourself. I'm gonna finger it just because I feel like if I comb it, I'm gonna comb it too much, and I don't want to comb everything out. So that is how I flat iron my hair. As always, thank you for watching my video. I really hope that you learned something from this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about everything. As you can see, I do weaves, natural, twist outs, everything on this channel. So if anything related to the African American woman hair, please consider subscribing to this channel. I hope again that you learned something, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up. So this is my hair 10 minutes after I shot my video, thinking I'm about to be cute, bomb, and all that. My hair said no ma'am, but that's okay. I refuse to go outside with it raining with my hair all cute and curled, because I know it's just gonna be a disaster. So this bun is what's gonna do for tonight. I hope you all enjoy this video, and I hope you can relate. I know for a fact you can relate, because this is how our hair is. Not even just African American hair, white women hair does this as well. And if you're a white woman watching this video, please comment below and let everyone know that this is just how hair is. It's raining. I recorded on a rainy day, so boom. Until next time, y'all. Bye.